Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the NFC on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and you can scroll through different pages by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the NFC icon. It's this one, looks like this weird N in the box. And once you find it, tap on it to disable it. And if you want to enable it, you can tap on it as well. Basically, when it's enabled, the icon will get highlighted. It has like a white background, and if it's disabled, the icon is gray and it has like a blackish background. So that's how you can tell if the NFC is enabled. You can also enable and disable the NFC through the settings. So if you open the menu, tap on the settings icon, find the option called connections, I believe, and tap on it, of course. And here you can find the NFC and contactless payment, and you can disable it and enable it by tapping on the switch. And if you tap on the NFC option, not the switch, but directly on the option, it will open the NFC options or other menu, and here you can disable and enable it. You can select the default wallet app, and also we can select different other services for the NFC, and it works with the Samsung Health, for example, and you can enable it or disable it. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face, and that's how you enable and how you disable the NFC on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.